What's up, people? What's up, Africa? How would I day? Yeah, I just want to tell you a good news. All you have to do is subscribe to Lifestyle by RNA. Love you.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to our cherished subscribers. If you happen to miss the first video on the Dodo Princess at Akosombo, then please check the link below and watch it. In this video, I'm going to walk you all through how I explored the Titanic in Ghana. This is how the Dodo Princess looks like. This is the entrance of the cruise. So the Dodo Princess is the extension of the Volta Hotel. So if you don't lodge the Volta Hotel, you can still have access to the boat. The arrival time is 9 a.m. but latest by 10 a.m. the Dodo Princess takes off. So you have to be there on time. Please, these people, they are time conscious. Be there by 10 or by 9. Otherwise, the boat will leave you. So you be on the water for 6 good hours. Hi everyone, I'm lifestyle blogger and makeup artist. Currently at Dodo Princess and we're about to take off in the next 60 seconds. Bye! We take it from inside the boat. Bye! For those who easily fall sick whenever they are on a trip, Dodo Princess catch. There is a washroom for the male and the female too as well. So I was showing you guys where the female washroom is and where the male washroom too is. These are the people. The children are also not left out. The cruise is open for children too as well. So children aboard are also well taken care of with indoor and video games. And there was a swimming pool on the lower deck. This is a regular cruise to Dodo Island, an island in the Volta Lake, departing the Akosombo port at 10:30 hours on Saturdays, Sundays and public holidays. So the cruise boat is available for parties, sightseeing, weddings, birthdays and any type of celebration on all the days of the week. So those that are in Ghana, you can take chance of that opportunity and enjoy that too as well, because Dodo World, dream, explore and discover. When you make payment, you are entitled to a drink, a bottle of drink and a bottle of water. And when it's time for you to eat, you pick a plate and you get served. So you can pick any food, but you don't serve yourself, they serve you. So if it's benko or tilapia that you want, you go to the stand where the food stand is and serve you. You are entitled to bring a drink and I think water, but you're not entitled to bring a lot of drinks in the boat. It's against their rule. Yep. So other people also came with their photographers to capture the moments and all that. Thank you. It was a nice experience and I urge you all to make time and go to Volta Hotel, book their place and also enjoy the Dodo Princess cruise too as well. And a video of what happened at the island too will be uploaded soon. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, if you already have subscribed to the channel, do well to leave your comment at the comment section. Let's encourage ourselves to utilize the comment section. It's there for us to share our opinions on all the videos, especially with this one, so you can share your opinion on that too as well. And also, if you know of any interesting tourist sites that you like my team and I to go there to capture the moment, you can also leave that comment too over there. So the first set I went for fried rice and tilapia, yes. And the thing too is that when you go for the food, you can't go there again to eat. You're just entitled to one plate of food, and that's it. And you enjoy some music, some jazz and all that, as you can see me dancing. Yeah, so please do well to subscribe, like, share. Let's show some love to this video. Thank you. See you in my next video.